All right, today we're going to talk about proportions. Now, a proportion is two fractions that are equal to each other. And the two fractions, ratios, like we talked about yesterday, in this problem here, 6 is to 15. That's your first one. As, there's your equal sign, 20 is to 50. So 6 is to 15 as 20 is to 50. Now, all it said was write the proportion. It didn't want us to do anything with it in this case. Is the same as, those are equivalent expressions. Go ahead and try to write this one out, and then we'll do it together. All right. 52 is compared to 13 is the same as 32 compared to 8. And there are your proportions. Okay, let's take a look at the next example. Which is a proportion? To check this, I strongly suggest you cross multiply and compare the two results. If the two results are the same, then they are a proportion. If they are not the same, it is not a proportion. So when I multiply 12 times 18, for example, I get 216. When I multiply 6 times 24, I get 144. Not a proportion. Over here, we'll try the same kind of work. Well, I know 72 times 10 is 720. I knew that off the top of my head. But 15 times 48, it is also 720. So, yes, a proportion. Not a proportion is a proportion because the two sides are equal. And finally, we're going to figure out how to solve these. Cross multiplication once again. I'm multiplying diagonally down with equal signs in between them. 7 times 20 is 140. X times 10 is 10x. And then I just have to divide both sides by 10. X is 14. I've solved it. Actually, okay. This fraction of 1/2 is the top of the big fraction, and it gets multiplied times 20. So that makes 10. And when I multiply this way, it's 15y. So I have to solve this. I divide both sides by 15. Y happens to be the fraction 10 over 15, but that simplifies by 5. 5 goes into 10 twice, into 15 3 times. And there is my final answer for that one. Y is 2/3. And that is it for us for today. Have a great day.